Okay, so this is another sample, okay? And you can see it in Google, okay? So Google, it's searchable. Type nyo lang, it's modern resumes, okay? Templates, either PDF and text, okay? So this is 2025. So because it's 2025 onwards, please mga darlings, ang i-search nyo is yung appropriate talaga na resume, lalo na sa mga graduating students right now, okay? So, aside from the the one that I mentioned earlier, okay, dun sa isang video ko, okay, so babaan lang natin. Ano ba to? Wait lang. Okay, so for us to know, dito sa may sample na to sa taas, guys. Okay, sa sample na to sa taas, nakita nyo yung industry expertise. Paano ba? Hindi nyo makita. Wait lang. Sa industry expertise, okay? Pinapakita niya dito yung level niya, yung rank niya sa sarili niya, okay? In what is your level, okay, on the expertise do sa industry na ina-applyan nyo, guys. Or kung mga sweetheart, alright? And then at the same time, nakalagay dito, what are your strengths? Okay? Alright? And then, key achievements. Kung ano achievements mo dun sa previous jobs mo. It's also important that you have this kind of section in your resume. Okay? And then, dun sa dun sa may educations and attainment and like achievements, ipagsama nyo sila. Okay? Lagyan nyo ng border. It's nice. And then, not too flashy, guys. Blue, like kind of this shade is okay. Plain white is absolutely nice. Wag naman super flashy, unless na lang kung ang ina-applyan mo is in terms of more creativity, just like if you are an architect. Wag naman pink pag siguro mga mauve or kind of purple or something, or lilac, something like this, yung mga ganitong kind of color. This is really good. Hindi siya masakit sa mata pag tinignan. Not too vulgar masyado. Hindi siya not really eye-catching ba? I know all of you wanted to stand out, diba? But you will absolutely stand out based on how you construct your resume. Okay? In terms of how you construct your resume, that is how you're going to show up. Okay? So, hindi lang because of your face like that, edited, or like, most of the time is ChatGPT na or AI. It doesn't make sense anymore. Okay? Yes, alam mo yung problema namin sometimes pag nag-hire kami, if we're hiring, sometimes the expectation, sometimes it's so painful. You know why? Because on the CV, it looks nice, okay, you look pretty or whatsoever. We don't want to judge anybody, okay? That's why we don't want to have this kind of photos, because we don't want to have this kind of expectation, or like to judge people based on the physical appearance or whatsoever. I know pleasing personality is important, but then for me and most of the employers are now looking for the eligible, capable, and well experienced, and not just because of how because sometimes it's different from personal. And for me, based on how you construct your resume, it tells a lot about the person. Okay? And at the same time, language here on this section, makikita nyo dyan, dito banda, the section of your languages, kung anong languages that you are that you are knowledgeable. Like, for example, if you already know how to speak Italian, French, you know how to speak Japanese, and you put the level as well. If you have a JLPT or Japanese course, specifically for those applicants who wanted to apply for Japan, make sure that you have this kind of leveling ranking. And then if you put the Japan there or Japanese, you put there N1, N2, N3, N4, N5. Okay, so at least we know JLPT or ALT. It depends, okay? And then at the same time, certification, yes, kung ano mga certification and trainings that you have, specifically para sa mga yachts, luxury yachts, cruise lines, and at the same time in airlines, okay? Make sure that, like for example, you have a firefighting, okay? You have a intermediate, okay, like basic training for medical survival, diba? PSCRB, okay? And a lot more, okay? So kung meron ka mga medical trainings and other assistance, it actually adds up. And specifically, lalo na pag sa yachts or luxury yachts industry, it's very important that you also include, like, if you have a sommelier service, you have F&B service, butler service. If you have those kind of trainings, it's absolutely very beautiful. Those are what I'm looking for as well. And at the same time, the rest is also been given before na. I think meron na kayo niyan before sa mga resume nyo. Anong pinaka-importante? The character references. If you don't have character references, we cannot accommodate those applicants, okay? Because we never know where did you come from. We never know if your experience is real, if you really work there. We need a legit and valid what do you call this one, character references from your previous employer. Why? Because that's how we're going to dig more deeper about you and your background. How did you work with your previous company before, and so on. Because it's very important na yung security, okay? Not just by the company, but of course for yourself as well. It's just vice versa. It's the same thing. So at least before you start to apply as well, make sure that it's legit company. It has an agency in the Philippines, or if you are in a cross country, it has an agency and have a connection with the country that you are staying or living, and vice versa. So it's about protecting yourself, okay, and to have a sustainable, okay, and long term. So it's very important that you have a really good communication with the company that you work with. And why? Because it absolutely give you a really good opportunity in the future, okay? So if you're working in a company, make sure to do your best, leave a really good reputation and legacy, and so that when someone new company, might call them, or may tatawag ng mga company sa ina-applyan mo, and when they say na, ito nag-a-apply to, or si Juan nag-a-apply dito sa amin, ganito ganyan, okay ba yung niya, yung record niya dyan, blah blah blah, and if they can remember you, diba? It's a really good deal. Why? Kasi ang galing pala nito, 'di ba? Ang galing pala niya. So, bakit hindi natin siya i-hire? Kasi sobrang recommended siya ng company na to. So, guys, yun ang sinasabi ko. You have to take care of your name, your reputation, and your entire career experience, guys. And at the same time, your legacy every time you jump in to another job. Hindi yung ghost na lang sila, or story na lang. But anyways, this is, I think, everything na mention ko na lahat. And if you have any other questions, and if you need my help to assist you, and if you want me to create another content based on that might help you, okay, all you need to do is just message me, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.